Hi there. Welcome back. I hope you are doing well. In our previous video, we will just focus on our design like password update and profile also manage as well as there about like suppose this is shows the image into the front end, right? So now in this section I just show how to the actually controller logic building with the https request. Okay, you'll be understand if you are watching this full video, and step by step I will discuss each and everything. So okay, let's see to the VS Code and should take action. Fine. Here was our previous project, and before that I just close this and everything, and now this is our web.php. Fine. This is our setting controller as well. So now first of all we just go to the setting and just go to the backend by index. Look at that. Here is this the password update, and you show that admin profile dot store. So now this is the actually profile. Okay, so go to our admin profile controller and look at that. This is our sorry, this is our resource controller as well. Okay. So now we just build a logic to the store. Okay. Okay. So this is the profile update, and look at that. Profile store. Okay. Now first, what I do? So we need make another request actually. PSP make request. Uh, what would be done? So profile request. Perfect. Fine. Now here is this. Go to the profile request first. Fine. So he already knows that. First, you make sure it is true. Now this is the return. Actually, we need for name. This is the required, and it be string, and max will be 255. So better, not a space, not a space. Okay, fine. Now once again, this is the email. It's required email. Definitely, it would be email will be unique. Fine. Table what? That's the users. Oh, that's a column will be mail. What? This dot user to ID. Yes, this is a string concatenation. Okay, string. And last, what will be this avatar? Avatar will be nullable. Say image, and image should be memes, JPEG, PNG, also JPG. We should also keep GIF, SVG, WebP, and let's some max maybe 2048. Okay, the rule will set up perfectly initialize. Okay, now this here admin profile controller. Now this is the update, destroy. No, this is store. So what will be done? Not a request. It will be profile request. Okay, this is the profile request. Fine. Mm, what the issue? So better. Okay. Mm, so here we just show file request. So request. Okay. Mm, okay. So now pass data to the service. Okay. So what will be our service first? So protected profile service. I just show you, but you need to keep patience and everything will be simple. And so this is the I just follow for industry oriented pattern for OP. So this is the public function build a construction construct method, and here is this. It's the profile service profile service. Okay. This profile service actually profile service. Fine. And now, though we not created the function, I just show you this the pass the data to the service. Now actually this is the profile service. Say profile. So it's a request. I just show the whole entire process described. Just give me some time. Validate it. Working procedure. I will show you, and also pass the request file avatar. and also pass the ID as well. Okay, and so return to the right back. Profile updated fully. That's okay. And I just show you. Look at it. And here is this admin profile store, and here has admin profile update. I just in here. Look at that, and this is the update. Okay, fine. Admin profile update. Which field in here? Look at that. Here is this. Here is this upload photo. Here is this for avatar. Okay, and here is this name also. Here is this email also, and just like that. Okay, so it's everything in here. So all this data first comes from in here for the request name, email, and avatar. Okay, look at it. User data ID, email. And look at that, there is this id, and here is this all of this data is come from request validate. When this fulfill the criteria, this all this validate data in here, as well as also send the file avatar and id. And here is this, we just pass the string also. I don't know which this id. Okay, this id as well. So now what to do at this moment? So go to our services. First go to our app. Here is this app. Sorry, look at that. Look at the http as well as model. This is a provider, and so into this app we just make the folder services. Okay. Yeah, this is the apps. It's called services as well. Services. Fine. And also create another folder repository as well. Okay. Now go to the services. Which services are you in here? Profile services. Okay. So now profile service.php, and here is also repository profile repository.php. The code will well structured and also as well as also maintainable. So if your project is so much large, you can manage this entire things very easily. Okay, you will understand when step by step you just follow and you just understand each and everything. Just keep patient and just follow the instruction. Okay, this just go to php, and this is the name is base. This is the f slash services. Okay, so now the class profile service. Okay, here is your class also, but yeah, profile service. Fine. Once again, just make the class, and this the another things for repository. Just make profile repository. Okay, and who is this app slash repository? Make the class. Okay, so in here, protected dollar profile repository. Repository. Okay, why? So now there is a public function, the similar construct method. Construct profile repository. Look at that, and profile repository as well, and similar criteria. Well, this profile repository equal to dollar profile repository. Yeah. Now public function. What's the function? Actually, look at that. This is the save profile. Okay. Just copy, and yes, look at that. First we'll send for all validate data. So what kind of? This is the array dollar data. All validate data will be grabbed. Then this is the second thing for avatar. Just we just let null initially. Okay, and also this is the ID. Fine. And look at that. This is the SIP profile. We just pass for request validate data as well as image as well, like avatar, and thus pass also the ID. And who is ID? Actually, this is the ID and looks like here. Okay. Now this is the return dollar this profile repository and create or update this profile. Okay, we actually pass the data, pass the avatar, pass the ID as well. That's fine. Actually, this file is not creating, so go to our profile repository. Here, make a small mistake here. So here is this not repository. So try for rename. What the hell? Yeah. There is the repositories, and now this the repositories. Okay, repositories, and this is the profile service, and here is profile repository. So what? Okay, I hope it will. Profile repositories. This. Okay, done. So here is this. This is the repository. Okay. So this is public function and here is this function. Okay, there is the data, just the avatar, and there is the id. Okay, all of the data, this automatically error is gone. Okay, so before this we just actually make a trade. We need to make trade. So actually what is trade? I just show you. Here is this. Actually, we just in this entire project, lots of time we just upload image or delete image or each and everything. So only trade can manage. Only single code in manage for each and everything. Okay, very tricky. Just you just follow, and you will be understand. So first make a folder for trades. Okay. So fine. This is a trade, and so okay. Here this trade name is file upload trade.php. Okay, fine. And I'm going to the php, and this is the name is base app slash trades. Okay, and trade file upload trade, fine. And now this is the public function, the upload file. Okay, that is the file. I just show you. There is the folder, and the existing file equals to null initially. Okay, actually it's a recursion file. Okay, so if dollar file define the target directory. Okay, so target folder, public path, which is the folder name is upload. All of this necessary file will be inserted in here actually. Okay, it's a very tricky, just keep patience and I will show that. This is the folder. Well, it's a target file. Ensure that the exist. Okay, if file is not exist, this is called a directory. Okay, if folder is not exist, you just make the folder. That's the procedure. Okay, this is a target folder. There's the permission 0755 and literally true. What the, and delay deleting file. Actually, if when this image is already exists, this another image is I just show you. This is the unlink process. So if exists file and file underscore exist, this is the public path, and this is the parse underscore URL. Exist file and PHP underscore URL underscore path. Okay, and now this is the unlink. This the advantage is duplicate file will not be storage. I'll just show you. It's the public underscore path parse underscore URL. It's exist file and sp underscore URL underscore path. Okay. And what the thing is, generate a unique file name. A little bit of complex, but you will get the all code in to the video description. Just keep patience. You will be understand actually what I am doing. It's the file name. So better just, and here this is the unique name will be followed in here, and also what to do, and also move the uploaded file to the target folder. So yes, give the comment also, and look like is here, and also return the full public URL, and yes, and this the return URL is in here, or finally which will be written. Actually return will be our existing file. Okay, and yes, actually we just make the trade, but actually all of these things will be required for this work for in here. I just show you. Now here is our profile repository, and here, yes, we just use the file upload trade. Okay, this the goal is in here. All of this work will be done now. There is the profile will be user, this our model, and find actually id, and here is this, so unlink image if exist. Okay, so if draw the profile avatar, now dollar this image path will be public underscore path. There is a parse underscore what the happening parse URL. Parse URL will be the profile and footer and it's PHP underscore URL underscore it's a path. Okay. Now if file underscore exist, got the image path and is underscore file same as path. Now this is the unlink image path. That's okay. If exists the avatar, then because of that you need to update your profile. Okay, previously if exist of your image, then unlink and new image will be updated. Okay, or otherwise. So now handle image manually. If avatar set data avatar this this upload file actually avatar was the user profile avatar. Okay. Now finally, what has been done? That's the profile. It's the update and the data, and that's the return profile. I just here is this the scenario, and here this is the profile service. Is manage your service. It's the profile service. Okay. So once again, what's the our journey actually? This was setting controller not needed. Look at that indicator blade.php. This is the profile update, and go to the profile update. So we just go to the profile update, and this is the profile request. The who is profile request? The profile request all validate data will be grabbing there, and this return into the request validate request file operator and as well as the ID. And this ID means this is the user ID actually. Okay, this ID will be passed in here. Look at the service. The service, this is the same profile. Because of that, this is the same name. We remember the same name, and here is this the same profile, array data, avatar, null, and ID. And this is the repository under this the pass the data. This is the profile repository. First of all, what's the profile repository? And here look at the data, avatar, and ID. So suppose grab the user ID, and this is the profile avatar. This is the image path. Actually grab the image path. I show you, and this is this upload file. Which upload file is come from our trade. Look at that. This is the upload file. Okay, and all of this another file. I just show you. Here is this. Actually, here is this. Here is this. Look at this. Our public folder. Okay, this is the backend. Okay, I just also show that. Actually, has our directory. Okay, Currently you will see that this is the public folder and this is the backend build htxs and no upload file. So like this uh, like no extra upload file will be showing here. Okay, so keep remember, I just show you in later. And here is our browser and this is our uh, database. And this database, here is our food and this is our food order tutorial. And this tutorial, look at that. So users, just show you what's happening. Look at it. So this is the avatar field will be an empty. Okay, so okay, we just here is this our profile and just keep reload once again. And this is the profile and just choose new and pick the image and name admin and admin or admin also admin example.com is there, fine. And just keep upload. We just check it. Nothing is happened actually. What's the issue is come. So before that we just make an alert for sweet alert installed and we'll be understand actually what's happened. Okay, now here we just go to our index and go to the master. This is the script. So no sweet alert will be initialized in here. So it's very important. So go to the just CDN is used for sweet alert. This is the CDN. Now for initialize for sweet alert toast. It's the condition and here is a simple toast. Look at that, the success and error. Okay, success and error toast, nothing else. Don't be panic. And also another thing will be make sure for stack scripts already initialized. Okay, that's another things is we got user model actually. Look at that. And here only be look at that. This the issue will be don't upload for avatar. Okay, so name, email, password also be mentioned for avatar as well. Phone number as well, address as well, and role as well. Okay, it's very important. So only one things will be showing here. I just show you check actually image is upload or not. Show that only one thing, so automatically upload directory will be showing here. And also make sure look at the user and look at that the image is initialized in here. But problem was our model is not allowed for avatar. Okay, just once again I just check it, you will be understand. And here just keep once again reload. And here is this profile and just show the image once again. It's a different image will be showing here. And go to update. Look at that profile update is successfully. Very fine sweet alert will be showing here. And here just once again just keep reload. And look at that. This the actual URL will be showing here. We just and here I just check you and this URL is looks like and just here and yes this is the URL. Okay, and we just check it. Actually here is this uh no unlink. Actually image is not unlink. Here is this two image will be showing here. but actually, to be honest, this was the first image and this was the second image, but first image will not get the URL, so that's why it's not be unlinked. And once again we just move for here. I just show you, but delete two things will be deleted in here, and this delete in here. I just show you, you will be understand. Actually, I just delete is and everything. Okay, and also, and here you just move in here and just okay, and just once again try for initial level. And here we just in here, and here just once again we just try, and this the first image will be chosen here, and this is the update. Definitely image will be, you will get in here, no problem. Actually image is here, look at that, this the image. Okay, and this is my project directory, and look at that, this is a public folder into the upload, and upload is always is user. Actually is very synchronized. Look at that, this is only one image. And once again I just try for update the image, this image will be replaced in another image. I just show you. Here is a browser, and just here is this, the profile will be showing here. Okay, and now I choose for another one, like here, and you can also public folder into this image. Yes, this profile update is sure, and this the profile will be shown in here. Is you can also, but our aim is not and go to our public folder. And this is that, this is only one image, and this is our user folder, and this user folder is on yes. Okay, this is the unlink method will be working Laravel. It's very important. Okay, now go to the code, and once again I summarize for intersection. Okay, so fine, once again, this is the index.blade.php, and this index.blade.php is just managed for our password update procedure. Here is this admin profile update, and this ID is came from in here. This is the auth user ID will be passed in here, and multiple form data. Here is this, use this for inter things will be passed in here. Avatar is passed. You just pass for name, you just pass for email, and all these validated data into in here, and all in graph for maintain the validation criteria. You just look like I just delete it, and step by step you will be understand. You just, this is the admin profile, and here is this upgrade, and this is the profile request. When the validated data will be perfectly validated, then came in here, this is the request validated, request file avatar, and this ID, three parameter will be passed in perfectly into the profile. This profile is looks like in here. Look at that, this is the data, this is the avatar, and this is our this is the ID, and all three data will be passed in the profile repository. This profile repository looks like the same name, and here's the data, avatar, and ID. And this is the unlink procedure. Unlink image if exists, exist image will be removed and new image will be replaced, and this is the function will be working here. This is the handle images manually. Actually this is the actually our user model actually. Okay, oh, sorry. Then look at that, this is this avatar, this the upload file will be passed is this avatar. So full avatar is graph for the link. Look at that in here, look at that, this is the image path will be graph, and this is the unlinked for image path, and this avatar is this avatar actually, if avatar actually in here, and this is the our user. And user means, suppose I just show you, user means the user folder, nothing else. Here look at that, look at that, this is the upload, and this is the folder. Okay, so first of all, this our target directory will be upload, and then this the name will be, what will be name, actually name will be user. Okay, and then this is the profile, avatar means is graph for this, for this is the profile and avatar. and store of the data avatar, and this data will be updated. And this is the trait will be store image as well, and also unlink image as well, and also delete as, and also provide a unique name is and everything. I hope you will be understand. If you have face any issue and query, so feel free to ask a comment below, and definitely he will like this video. Please like, and you are a newcomer, please subscribe of this channel, and also motivated for the next video. And also available if you want to enter the full source code, it will be contact with via WhatsApp. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.